So we're down in the Forest of Bowland with Dave Duffy. Beer whole roll line filled, mate. Went down a pothole on the way up here, and it's well, he's got a rear puncture, and with it being a tired wheel, I reckon it's because you can't see anywhere I hold it out. I reckon that's just split the tyre. It's just pinched it when it's gone over the down into the pothole. So at the end of the day, stay there, Charlie, stay there. You alright, mate? Oh. So there's the station pub again from a different angle here. And I'm just going to ride home now, so this will be tomorrow's video. I could have gone for a ride on my own and all like that, but you know, I just don't fancy it now. I'm just going to go home and get a bit of editing done and do a bit of gardening, because it does need it. And I'm at that point now, well, I started gardening a bit early this year really, so I've got to prune all my bushes, but they're like the forsythia and flowering currants. It's still in flower, so when they stop flowering I'll prune them. And the laurel tree needs pruning. Holly bush needs pruning. Oh, prune, bloody prune. Oh, nah, little Nationals, who says that? Nationals with an insignia in front of me. Oh, Ian Hughes would love that now, wouldn't it? Hey? Ian, where he's going to take him, Ian? Ian would go now, right over here. Oh, he wouldn't. He's sensible, like, oh, look at that. Hey, what a nice fella. He must have heard me, what do you reckon? I had a great day out on, what day was it now? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. I went to Rivington Barn. And a right cock up day with a video. So I'm going to be, whether you get this or not, it depends on if it's recording. But yeah, had a great day, lovely sun, it's sat on this, sat in the sun. I'll put some photographs on because I'm not going to get photographs of anything else. Bottom barn, loads of lovely bikes there, lovely AJS jam pot I call it, that's what we used to call them back in the day. AJS jump pats, all junk and scrap, and I look at them now and think, we're so wrong. They were more reliable than the Triumphs, I bet. They used to thrash the Triumphs like hell, where you get on the jam pot, it just tore along all day, it'd do 100 mile an hour and won't do the 120 like a Bonneville, but it still, it blow itself to bits. Hey, news, did I get past that car all right? Hey, see? Do you know me when I come? It's this high bloody vis. Look at it. Bloody high vis. Oh, that lovely, eh? Blinded by that yellow thing up there. Uncle Colin's house. Yeah. Bestie's uncle used to live there. No water it had, it just had a spring at the back. Cool well. No spring, it wasn't even a well. right back into Open Village. Look, says it there, down to 30 from 40. Oh, what's been am I doing? Bloody. The only thing I'll change this bike for is the stupid indicators are stale. Mrs. Ainsworth says, why don't you buy a bike with no self-cancelling indicators? I says, oh, there's a simple reason for that. I can't afford one. They don't make them. It should be an option like heated grips, shouldn't they, by now? Back into 40s. Can't see much of Manchester today. It's that gloomy over there. It's mist. It's that yellow thing shine after all the rain and rubbish we've had. Have I not mentioned daffodils today? That's where the stymic video from. Yeah. Get ready to park the cars there in the yellow line. You've got to go over the yellow line to get past the parked cars. So I know it's been sort of short and sweet and not talk about museum. John Parsons put his first video out today on his motorbike this year. But a few of them, you know, I like that wigwam tent he's got, very tempted by that. Even though I've sort of give up camping. But if you can stand up in the tent and all like that. And what, it's 74, John. 74. Still riding a bike and going camping. It's marvellous. So a lot of Moto UK, he's 64. He's still riding a bike. And that's bloody marvellous. He's falling to bits. And then get himself right. What he digs. Hey. He's a walking miracle. Oh. Blurry View put a nice video on the other day, didn't it? Hey, Blurry View. Up to Ullapool. Don't get to Ullapool though. Gets to the Lightsun Lighthouse. Great road. Every time you just want to watch nice scenery, watch Blurry View's videos, are excellent. He goes to see all his mates. And all of them now that he goes and meets I've subscribed to. There's only one, I can't think of his name, I hadn't, so I subscribed to him as well, even though I've not seen his channel. But I will have a look. I look forward to that next video coming out. Recommend you go and have a watch. And now I'm behind this lovely Mazda, whatever it is, Mazda 2. I will say to that, I'll say me proper taras. Then I get down this corner and we're at Silver Fox's favourite restaurant. And I'm sorry, Foxy, I have only been in this one, so you can't compare it with the rest. But I was not impressed. I could do a better steak than what they did for me. 30 quid, bloody hell, robbing buggers. And that was a cheap one. No. Not paying that for a steak. I do what John Paulson does. Anyway, past that now. Can't think of anything else to say. Thanks for coming along. I'll see you on the next one. As I pull up, oh no, I've got these traffic lights. Those are done well. Woo! I'm going to be home before Mrs. Ainsworth's. I'll be home before Mrs. Ainsworth's gone to work. Yoo-hoo. Bye for now. Stop behind the bin man. La 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 la. That nice world they're doing over there. Some space. I can't remember what the actual story about that is. It's nice to see it being done up though. Whitehead Gardens. Oh, the roadworks have gone. Do 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 do.